This looks like a grape. It even look like one of them small star apples. Some would even think it's an American plum. Believe it or not, it is none of the above. This right here is called a governor's plum. And the first time I see these, it was from a Rasta man in the middle of a tree with a big bag. When you bite into these, it's like a hybrid of plum mixed with something else. There's a bitter aftertaste that only comes after the sweetness. Sweeter these plums, the nicer they are. You don't have to worry about seeds, you can chew it all up. Down to the skin can eat. Benefits of governor plum are many. Say it can cure snake bite, cure cough, pneumonia, and any bacterial infection of the throat. It even can cure diarrhea. So whenever it's coming down, just make sure you keep a few of these around.